Today, I'll walk you through how to turn multi-page setups into database templates using Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a streamlined database template so you can manage your information more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. This is where all the magic will happen. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionalities remain the same. Now, once you're on your Notion page, look for the Add a Page button. This button is typically located in the sidebar. Clicking it will allow you to create a new page, which is essential for our next steps. Once your new page is open, it's time to give it a name. I'll name mine Multiple Database. This name should reflect the purpose of your page, making it easy to identify later. Now let's add our database. In the body of the page, type database and choose database inline from the options that appear. This will create a database that you can customize further. Next, we need to link to an existing data source. Click on Link to Existing Data Source. This step is crucial as it allows you to pull in data from other pages or databases you've already created. Finally, choose the source that you want to include on the multiple view page. This could be any database you've previously set up. Selecting the right source will help you consolidate your information in one place, making it easier to access and manage. And there you have it. You've successfully turned a multi-page setup into a functional database template in Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.